Hi guys, this is a follow-up video to one of the As Fast as Possible series that I did. It was to do with an introduction to the CLI, the command line interface tab that you use on Betaflight. I referenced small angle because I thought it was a great one to start talking about next, and that's what this video is set to do. So as quickly as possible, the small angle variable will affect the maximum angle that your quad will let you arm it at. So beyond a certain angle, you'll find normally if you just leave this on a default level, if you try and arm your quad, it doesn't spin up and then you have to put it on like a flatter level of ground. There are reasons to actually change that and to change the set angle for the small angle. That's what I want to show you now. So we'll connect from the setup tab, we'll go down to the CLI. I'm going to type in get small angle, and you can see mine is now set to 179. I would suggest that you set yours to 180. So I'm going to type set small angle equals 180. Save that, wait for the beeps. Thank you. And then just double check. Again, connect down to the CLI, get small angle, and it should be set to 180. So what setting it to 180 will let you do is, if you ever lose a quad, this is really good for people who don't have beepers, by the way, but if you have put the quad down or accidentally put the quad down and you don't know exactly where it is, having the ability to arm it when it's upside down, especially if your motors are spinning up, is gonna give you that little bit of extra feedback, which might be the difference between not finding a quad and finding a quad. So I like it for a couple of reasons. One, it lets me just add a little bit of extra noise to the equation when I'm looking, when I've crashed. It also means that if the ground's just that little bit unstable, I can also still arm it then. If it's up in a tree and it's a little bit stuck and maybe you want to avoid climbing, it'll let you arm it and you can shake it a little bit using the motors. Just be careful though, because this is a really good way to burn out a motor if you keep doing it or if it tries to spin up too much. So just be careful. I'm probably going to keep doing a little bit more on the CLI because I don't see a lot out there, and if there is stuff out there, it tends to be fairly complicated, and let's face it, Betaflight is as complicated as it needs to be in the first place without someone else making it even more complicated. So thank you for watching, and I will hopefully see you the next time I do a video.